How to join Murder Mystery 2 Discord server. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can join Murder Mystery 2 Discord server. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First steps first, you'll need to open up your Discord. Head over to discord.com and log in or simply open up your Discord app. After you've done that, on the left hand side, you'll find all your servers and you'll also see an option that says add a server. Tap on add a server and there you will see different options. The one that you want to choose is this option that says have an invite, join a server. After you tap on it, what you'll need to do is you'll need to type in your code for your server. So this is the code that you want to add. So let me just copy this and paste it right here. So this is the link for the server. Just go to https://discord.gg/pnpbbtz. Make sure the Z is capital and then tap on join server. After you tap on it, you'll be joined on Murder Mystery 2 server. And yeah, that's how you do this. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.